On YouTube. Today we're gonna try to fix this dashboard, this broken dashboard.
Alright, like my niece said, we're gonna have to sand it down in these cracks, make them smooth, and then we're gonna fill them with bondo that has fiberglass in it. And then fill it in. Once I fill it in, and then I let it dry, and then the next day I'll sand it down and make it all smooth. And then I bought a flock kit that's coming in the mail, so once that comes in, after all this is repaired, then I could put the glue on and then start flocking it, and then hopefully it'll come out good. I got this idea off of Throttle, the guys at Throttle on YouTube. They did a S13 dash, so this one, pretty much the same. This one's worse than theirs though. So, yeah, let's get started.
Artlist.io.
Alright, I hit it with the 80 grit. Now I'm gonna hit it with the 120 all around, on the top and the bottom. You can see I got rid of like the sharp edges. I still need a sand right there, but yeah, I get rid of the sharp edges, and then I'm gonna fill it in with the resin, let it dry, and then sand it over again with the 80 grit, and then the 120 until I get the contour perfect. It looks like nothing happened, and then after that, I put all the glue down. I'll probably spray paint it black too because it's like a lightish blue color. I don't like that color. And it also might show through the flocking, so. Yeah, I'm gonna paint it. I'll spray paint it black and then flock it. Put the glue down and then flock it, so. Should come out good. I hope so. Gonna spray it and I'm gonna wipe it down. That's it.
I'll fold it.
You can fold it if you want. Alright. Alright. Alright, I bought this bondo glass. It has a fiberglass filler in it. And that's the hardner on top. So I'm gonna mix that up, and then this is what I'm gonna fill the cracks in with. So it should be super durable and super hard so it won't crack again. And then after that, once this dries, sand it all down and flock it.
I'm gonna go skateboarding. Wait.
Alright, so you want to mix it so it's like this brown caca color. Alright, did a light coat. Just to make sure none of it's gonna see through when I do the flocking. It's starting to look better. Alright, I bought this mini flock kit. I got it for like 35 bucks from Lee Valley. This, you put the suede or whatever it is inside of here, the flock. And then you have to twist this. And then it shoots out from here. And then I gotta put the adhesive. Put this first, and then you flock it after with this. But you have to do it quick because this dries in like 10 to 15 minutes. So you don't have that much time to get that done. And then you put the adhesive in here so I can roll it on. I just prepped it a little bit. But yeah, I spray painted it black. That way the adhesive doesn't soak into the dash too much. So yeah, I just need to lay down the adhesive and then start flocking it. The glue is black, so that should help covering it up. Pretty good. Now I just gotta let it dry. And then I'll finish up the bottom tomorrow and it should be good to go. It takes about 10 to 15 hours to dry. So yeah, it looks pretty good. Alright, got my flock dash in. Also put the gauges in, wired them up. So I got my oil pressure gauge, water temp, and also my boost gauge. Running the Apex C-Power FC. I still need to put the interior back together, but got most of it done. I'm adding my AFR gauge right there. I took out the cruise control. So it's a pretty cool spot. It's nice and solid. It doesn't move. I put the steering wheel on, I took it off of my S12. And I got the Nismo logo button. Old school. And it looks a lot better. Nah, it's nice. Got the suede texture to it. The dash actually looks better in the sun. Did a pretty good job.